Hello everyone, I am R. Lakshmi Priya. My seminar topic is buying motives. Buying motives define when a customer purchases a particular product, he has any reason for it. Motives is a refers strong feeling, instinct, desire or emotion to make the decision to buy. The example for buying motives are a man is motivated buying a beautiful saree for his wife, the parent buys sweets, clothes and toys, etc. Next one, buying motives. Buying motives may be classified into two types: product motives, patronage motives. Product motives may be defined as those impulse, desire and consideration which make the buyer purchase a product. Product motives are which are related to the produce that includes the consumer buy the product. Product motives may be related to different attributes. There are two types of product motives: emotional product motives, rational product motives. The first one, emotion product motives. Emotion product motives are those impulses which persuade the consumer on the basics of emotion. The consumer does not try to do reason out logically analyze the need for purchase. Emotion product motives usually appeal to the buyer to satisfy pride, sense of ego, urge to imitate others and his desire to be distinctive. The example of emotion product motives: comfort, often for family, habits, etc. The next one, relational product motives. The relational product motives on the basics of logical analysis and proper evaluation. Consumer makes a relation decision after careful consideration, evaluations of the purpose, alternatives available, cost benefit and such other valid reasons. The example of rational product motives: iron safes, safety lockers on bought by the people because they want to safeguard their cash, jewelers, etc. Product motives are classified into two types: operational product motives, socio-psychological product motives. First one, operational product motives. The operational product motives: the consumer buy the product to the characteristics, features, benefits and functions associated with a particular product. For example, consumer favorite Hero bikes due to good mileage, affordable price and has less maintenance. Next one, socio-psychological product motives. The socio-psychological product motives desire to buy the product which shall arise as a result of psychological or social significance buyer attaches to the product. The secondary buying motivate are patronage motives. Patronage motives refers to those consideration or reason which promote a buyer to buy the product wanted by from a particular shop in preference to other shops. Patronage motives can be grouped as emotional patronage, rational patronage motives. First one, emotional patronage motives. Emotional patronage motives those that persuade a customer to buy from specific shop without any logical reason. Second one, rational patronage motives. Rational patronage motives selecting a place depending on the buyer satisfaction. It offers a wide selection. It has latest models. It offers good after sales service, etc. Classifications of buying motives. There are two types: product motives, patronage motives. Product motives are emotional motives, rational motives, operational motives, socio-psychological motives. Patronage motives are emotional motives, rational motives. Next one, consumer behavior. Consumer behavior is a study of individuals, group or organization and all activities associated with the purchase, use and disposal of goods and service. A selling concept to consumer oriented marketing has resulted in consumer behavior becoming an independent discipline. Next one, consumer or customer. First one, consumer. The term consumer is used both for personal consumer and organizational consumer. The personal consumer buy goods and consumer and organizational consumer. Next one, customer. Customer is defined in term of specific store or company. Next one, meaning of consumer behavior. Consumer behavior involves both individual and group process. Consumer behavior is reflected by most purchase evolution which indicate satisfaction or non-satisfaction. Consumer behavior includes communication, purchasing and consumer behavior. Consumer behavior is shaped by social environment. Consumer behavior includes both consumer and industrial buyer behavior. Thank you.